Hi guys, so here is the list of the 3 best softwares that I think every student should have. So I will show you one by one where to download them and how to use them. First is Microsoft Office. Of course, everyone knows this, so this is like a no-brainer. So you can download the free version of Microsoft by searching Microsoft Office for Student in Google, and the first link will pop up, product.office.com, and you click in here, and all you need is just the .edu email, and it will allow you to download the free version of the Office 365. The best thing about Microsoft Office is everyone uses it, so you can easily share the file of your work with your friends without any problem, like the one you have when you using iWork in Mac. Second, Mendeley. I use this software to read and cite all of my paper. So you can download that in mendeley.com, Mendeley. You click download, and you can choose between Mac or Windows or Linux. After you download it, and when you open it, it will ask you to sign in, or it's the first time you click in register. So now I just sign in my account. So I click stay sign in. Once I sign in, it will remember all of my information, all of my library. So you can see that this is a huge library that I collect during all of my undergrad, my graduate student, and also my PhD. So few feature you can start to click into favorite, so you can read later, or to keep the important paper. And to add, you just simply drag it in, and it will automatically recognize all the title and all the abstract there. And if you want to manual entry, you can click here and add entry manually. So there are some paper or some documents they don't have a PDF file. You can use like this to add the manual, so you can cite it later on. So after you download, click in Tool and install the Microsoft Office Word plugin. I already installed, so now it show uninstall. Once you install the plugin for Microsoft Office, so now I will open the Microsoft Word. So this software basically a free version of EndNote if anyone use the reference software like EndNote. So I recommend you to move it to Mendeley because it's all free. For example, I have a sentence like A is found to be good because someone says so. Click in reference and insert or edit citation. Click in here, and it will link to your account, so you can search the author name or the title. Everything is here. Here's some of my paper. Just try to choose one and click OK, and it will add the reference here. So the best thing about using the citation software is like you can change the citation format very quickly. You don't have to manually edit it. So this saved my ass many times because my boss asked me to change the journal that we submit the paper to. So with just one simple click, I can change the format of that exactly paper. So now when you highlight it, you see they have the link here, and when you click insert bibliography, it will insert the reference down here. So you always put the reference list down here, and it will automatically update it after if you add the new reference. For example, I insert here a few more reference, just choose some. Choose another one. You can cite two or more, and I will add here. For example, this author said that, and you can see that it will automatically add here in the reference list. So very easy. And if I change to another format, it will change both in the citation and in the reference list. So if you cannot find your paper, just click in More Style and Get More Style and search your journal here. And once you found it, just choose the journal that you like and install it. So I use this app not just for citation but also to read and note all of my journal. You can see that when you study in college or grad school, you have huge amount of paper to read, and you can highlight or add a note here. And the good thing about Mendeley is this synchronization. So you can read in your computer, your iPad, your mobile phone, and when you take a highlight or add any note, it's synchronized with each other, which means that if you highlight anything in your iPhone, later on when you open the laptop to work on that file, you will see all the highlight that you made in the iPhone previously. So you can see that also I copy all of my file in my Google Drive, so I will not lose it because it will be in the cloud. So that brings us to the last application, that is Google Drive. I use this application to back up all of my file and to synchronize all of my work, because if I want to use two computer or three computer, I can still work it in the same way. So to download it, just search Google Drive download and download here. And the big thing is, like, if you have a .edu email, you got the unlimited storage on Google Drive. Again, it's unlimited. You can put anything you put up here. So all of my file, 26 gigabyte, is up in the cloud. So the thing about Google Drive, people are normally mistake is like these are the folder in your hard drive in your computer, and you synchronize that folder and upload it in the cloud. It's not just up in the cloud, but it's also in your computer as well. So everything you change in your computer, it will upload and synchronize and change it in the cloud later. So you can see that I put all of my important file up here, and if you have an important presentation, you don't want to lose it, or you work on the multiple computer, you can save this file in Google Drive. So I will just save it in Google Drive over here. Just change the name a little bit, and right after I saved, you see the icon start buffering, so mean it's uploading right away that file to the cloud. So now I can open that file in another computer immediately. So to sum up, the three best software that every student should have. First, Microsoft Office. Everyone have this already. If you don't have it, go download it right away. Don't use Google Doc or iWork. Just use Microsoft Office 365 because it's free. Second app, Mendeley, to read all of your paper, all of your journal, and to cite it in your Microsoft Word. And also the last application is Google Drive, to synchronize and back up all of your important information in the cloud so you can access it everywhere, anywhere, and anytime. So thank you very much guys for watching. I know this is a very simple video and a lot of you guys already know and already use this software, but I hope it have some use for some of you guys that don't use this software yet. So I hope it can have some help, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.